Hello guys, my name is Webnorah. I've been preaching about AppUSD for a while now, and I've had a couple of people coming on it, and then some people also I know understand they are trying to take their time. We are all looking for ways to earn online. We are all looking for ways to earn in dollars, and especially the inflation rate right now, and then the way dollar is seriously climbing in the country right now. So if you are not earning in dollars, you are on a very long thing. So AppUSD is just basically a platform where you come on, sign up on, and then you invest your funds on it, and then you are given an ROI. Like your return on investment is basically about 0.7 to 0.8, in fact to 1% of your investment every blessed day. So I'm going to show you the steps to be taken if you want to withdraw from AppUSD. So I withdrew about 2 weeks ago, and I'm going to withdraw again today. Like I told you, AppUSD is your launchpad platform where you basically invest your money, and then they give you percentages every day. So like today you can earn, like today's percentage ROI, as you can see on my screen right now. ROI is today is 0.8% of your fund, of however whatever money you invest in on the platform. So today you earn 8%. So also you can also earn money by bringing people in, by bringing people, referring people to come on board to earn certain percentages. So I withdrew last 2 weeks, so I'm going to withdraw again today. So let me take you through the processes of withdrawal. Okay, so this is my main balance right now. So let me just show you how it works basically. So I'm going to go to withdrawal, withdraw funds. Okay, so withdraw funds is going to ask for my USDT and TRC20. If you know TRC20, that's Tron, USDT on Tron network. So I will go to my Binance right now, and I'll visit my USDT here, and then say deposit crypto. So you see USDT and all the networks that are on. So you look for Tron TRC20. So we click on it, and then we copy the wallet address from here. Then we go back to AppUSD and paste the wallet address there. Yeah, TRC20. So we paste the wallet address here, and then we tell the system how much we want to withdraw. So I'm withdrawing $63. So also note that when you are withdrawing, the system holds back 30% of however or whatever amount you are withdrawing into your savings wallet. So all combination of all these monies will help you on your next subscription. That is when your 400% max ROI has been achieved. The system helps you, the system keeps all this 30% for you from your withdrawals, to help you also to resubscribe on the next edition. So I'm going to hit on withdraw right now. So you said note that 30%, that's $18 out of this 63 of the requested amount will be paid into your savings wallet. 70%, as 44.10, will be paid into the wallet provided by you. So it will send 44.10 into my Binance right now. So I'm going to hit OK, and then I wait for it to load, and then it says okay, email validation. I'm going to click on get code. So it has sent an OTP to my email address, which I will have to go to my email address right now and bring the OTP out. Yes, OTP has come. So I'm going to get the OTP out. Okay, continue. I just entered my OTP and I hit continue. Your withdrawal request has been received and is being processed. You can always view the status of your withdrawals from withdrawal history. Okay, so I hit OK. So by now our withdrawal should start planning to hit Binance. Yes, our Binance. So I'm going to head to Binance to show you what is achievable, what is there. So let's check the withdrawal history. This says this is one I withdrew today. That's $63 that I withdrew today. Currently I have 0.64. That's after withdrawing the 63, and then you see it's creating this withdrawal. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to head to Binance right now to show you what we have there and when it arrives. And remember, prior to this time, we do not have there's no TRC, there's no USDT in my Binance prior to this time. As you can see, my Binance balance here is 0.0000. There's nothing there. So we just have to head back here now and wait for it to send that fund into this account. You know, so wait for it to send this fund into this account. So we'll head to my email right now. I think I just received an email. It says okay, that's Binance deposit confirmed. So for those of you who may think this is unreal or this is not working, I'm telling you, my name is Webnorah, and I run this AppUSD Launchpad zone. So for those of you who might be thinking this is unreal and it's not working, look at it. This is USDT payment successful, and your deposit of 42.72. You remember that was how much the system said he was going to release to us out of the 63, of which it has held 30% back into the savings wallet. Okay, so it's now available in your Binance. So let's head to my Binance right now to see what we have there. Let's head to my Binance right now. Binance. Okay, so like I mentioned before, we had 0.00000 in my Binance. So I'm heading to my wallet now. So you see it there. So spot wallet, you see the amount there. So spot wallet, and then USDT, you see 42.72. So all this are happening real time, and this is even happening under 2 to 3 minutes. It doesn't take long for the this thing to hit your wallet. So you can see today's date. This today is 7th of October 2023, and then you can see the deposit there. So that's the deposit in green, and you can see it. So completed. So for those of you who might be thinking this is not real, this is actually happening. This is actually happening. This money right now is partly from my ROI, which happens every day. That's about 8% to 1% of my investment every day, and then my referral bonus as well. So that's what accumulated to this. I withdrew 2 weeks ago, and then I'm withdrawing again today. So you guys, it's high time you guys you consider about joining this platform. It's paying, it's really working. I've been on it for a while now, and then things are really going on well on this platform. I guarantee you that. So but you guys just have to sit and then check very well, and then coming big on this. It's a beautiful platform, I must tell you. Right, guys, so I hope to see you as you move on. You can check the comment section or the description also for the link, for a link to sign up. Yeah, so coming back to AppUSD platform now to check our savings. Okay, so it says I have a 0.64 here right now. Like, this is one out of my 3 accounts. Okay, on our savings now, you say we have saved about $25.22. That's it. Remember, the 30% it takes from my withdrawals, it dumps them into savings account. So that is what is happening here. So from this savings account, I can renew for the next subscription. And remember, the amount I put on this very account is going to max out in 400%. It's going to give me 400% return on investment on this very account. But I will just tell you basically the truth. It can take up to a month, 2 months, or 3 months for the 400% to be reached. But definitely you are going to cash out your savings, your investment, in no time, in no time. So that is basically what it is. Remember, I started on this very account. I started with $45 only. On this very account, I started with $45 only. I have about 3 accounts on this platform where I invested hugely, but I use this one basically for tutorial purposes. Now I have withdrawn about $84 already, total withdrawal on this platform, $84 already, and I have not even maxed out my 400%. See where I am. My farming is just 400%. I'm expecting $180 on this platform, and I have withdrawn about $84 already, and I'm just at 47%. You can see how the potentials that are on this platform. So you guys, if you're not on this platform yet, you are dulling, you are really dulling. You can just see I just withdrew my funds there just now straight away into my Binance, and from there I can send them to P2P to sell them and then get the cash directly into my bank account. You understand? So if you do not know how to go about this, always just hit me up, chat me up, or comment send a comment to the section, or just chat me up. I'll easily direct you on what to do and how to go about it. All right guys, I will see you on the brighter side. Bye bye.